An employee at a popular restaurant and store tested positive for hepatitis A. That prompted the city health department to take action. That employee worked at Beans and Barley on Milwaukee's east side. Mary Jo Ola talked with Ed, a regular who signed up for a vaccine just as a precaution, and Jim, one of the restaurant owners, as well as Mike, Milwaukee's commissioner of health, about what happened and how everyone's moving forward.
Why was it important for you to talk with us?
We have been supported by our community, like I said, for over 50 years. We feel like we owe a debt of honesty to that community. We want them to trust us.
Jim Neumayer is a co-owner of Beans and Barley on Milwaukee's east side. Over the weekend, the Milwaukee Health Department and the restaurant were notified that an employee tested positive for hepatitis A and worked while they were infectious between October 31st and November 13th.
That individual was not a chef. They didn't cook food. They didn't prepare food. They were an individual from time to time who would be handing out orders.
Public health leaders say that the employee did the right thing by leaving after noticing symptoms, then seeking medical attention. Beans and Barley holds an A rating from the city health department, and it was not ordered to shut down. Inspectors were there Sunday to double check the systems they have in place.
Very confident based on the information that we have that the risk to the general public is very low.
Hepatitis A is a contagious liver infection spread person to person or through consuming contaminated food and drinks. Good hand hygiene is a key way to prevent it. Health officials found that around 80 people were potentially exposed. Nearly half of them were already vaccinated.
We're still working through the rest of the folks that were there to ensure that they are either up to date on their hepatitis A vaccine or had prior infection, because hepatitis A is a virus that if you've previously had it, you can't get it again.
So you appreciated the transparency.
Oh, yes, I did. And I'm older, so anything could take me out.
Ed Check visits Beans and Barley once a week. He is among those who went to the city's emergency vaccine clinic on Monday as a precaution. Ed says this won't stop him from going back.
At first it creeped me out, but then I thought, how cool is it that a restaurant came forth to let people know who have eaten there that there was an issue.
If you believe you were exposed to hepatitis A, you can get the 2-dose vaccination at any health department walk-in clinic, local pharmacy, or your primary care provider. In Milwaukee, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.